Have you ever dreamed of visiting London but worried about the cost? If that's the case, you are not alone. Many people are deterred by the preconception that London is an expensive city, but what if I told you that you can experience this cosmopolitan hub steeped in rich history and culture on a budget? Yes, it's possible. Today we're going to demystify the process of planning a budget-friendly trip to London. We'll walk through every step of the journey from the initial planning stages to your return flight home. We'll talk about finding affordable accommodation using public transportation to your advantage, discovering low-cost yet delicious dining options, and of course exploring the city's myriad attractions without emptying your wallet. There's a whole world waiting to be discovered in London's bustling streets and tranquil parks, and the best part, you don't have to be a millionaire to experience it. So stay tuned to discover how to experience the magic of London without breaking the bank. A successful budget trip starts with meticulous planning. Planning is key to any successful trip, especially when you're traveling on a budget. It's the secret sauce that can turn a good trip into a great one, and London, with its rich history and myriad attractions, is a city that rewards those who plan ahead. First and foremost, it's essential to do a little research about London. This is a city that's steeped in history and culture, and knowing a bit about what you're getting into can help you make the most of your trip. There's a wealth of information available online, from travel blogs to tourism websites, that can give you a sense of what to expect. Next, you'll want to compare prices. London can be an expensive city, but with a little savvy shopping you can find deals on everything from accommodations to dining to sightseeing. There are countless travel websites and apps that can help you compare prices and find the best deals. Be sure to check out multiple sources to ensure you're getting the best price possible. Booking in advance is another crucial aspect of planning your budget trip to London. Not only can this help you secure the best rates on accommodations and flights, but it can also help you avoid the disappointment of finding out that a particular attraction or event is sold out. Many of London's most popular attractions offer discounted tickets for those who book in advance, so be sure to take advantage of these savings. Finally, consider the best time to visit London on a budget. While summer is the peak tourist season, it's also the most expensive time to visit. If you're flexible with your travel dates, consider visiting in the shoulder seasons of spring and autumn, when the weather is still pleasant but prices are generally lower. Remember, early planning can save you a substantial amount of money. With a little research, comparison shopping, and advanced booking, you can experience all the wonders of London without breaking the bank. Choosing the right accommodation can make a significant difference to your budget. When it comes to budget accommodation in London, there's a variety of options to consider, each with its own unique benefits and potential drawbacks. Let's take a closer look. First up, there are hosts, a staple for budget-conscious travelers worldwide. Hosts offer low-cost dormit-style accommodations, often with shared facilities. The benefits, well, usually the most cost-effective option, and they offer a great opportunity to meet other travelers. The drawbacks: privacy can be limited and facilities might not be as plush as you would find in a hotel. Next, we have budget hotels. These are usually a step up from hosts in terms of privacy and facilities, but still come in at a lower price point than your average hotel. The benefits are clear: you can enjoy a private room and often a private bathroom too. The drawbacks, well, the services and amenities might be basic and the locations might not be as central as pricier options. Bed and breakfasts, or B&Bs as they commonly known, offer a charming home-like atmosphere. These usually include a hearty breakfast in the room rate, and they're often located in residential areas, giving you a taste of local life. The downside: they can be a bit pricier than hosts and budget hotels, and you might not have as much privacy as in a hotel. Lastly, rental apartments offer a home away from home experience. You'll have your own space, usually with a kitchen, which can help save on dining out. The drawbacks: they can be more expensive than other options and you'll have to handle your own housekeeping. Remember, when choosing your accommodation, consider what's most important to you. Is it cost, privacy, location, facilities? Then make your choice accordingly. Choosing budget-friendly accommodation doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or convenience, so select wisely and enjoy your stay in the heart of England without breaking the bank. Getting around London can be affordable if you know the tricks. London's public transportation system is one of the most efficient in the world, and it's definitely your best bet for affordable travel around the city. The vast network of buses, trams, trains, and the famous underground, affectionately known as the Tube, can get you just about anywhere you need to go. For the most cost-effective travel, consider getting an Oyster card. This reusable plastic smart card can be topped up with pay-as-you-go credit or loaded with any combination of season tickets. Using an Oyster card can save you up to 50% compared to buying a paper single ticket. Plus, it caps your daily travel cost, meaning after a certain point you can travel unlimited for the rest of the day without paying a penny more. Now, if you're not in a hurry, why not take a leaf out of a Londoner book and walk? London is a city of neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm. Walking is not only free, but it also allows you to discover hidden gems that you might miss when zipping by on the Tube. For longer distances, consider cycling. London has an extensive network of cycle lanes and routes, and you can hire a bike from the city's public bike sharing scheme. Santander cycles for as little as 2 a day. Avoid peak travel times if possible. These are typically between 7 and 10 in the morning and 4 and 7 in the evening on weekdays. Not only will you avoid the crowds, but off-peak travel is also cheaper. Lastly, while taxis can be convenient, they can also be quite expensive. If you do need to take a taxi, consider using a ride-sharing app to potentially save some money. With careful planning, you can navigate London like a local and save money. Remember, your adventure in London is about the journey, not just the destination. Enjoying London's culinary scene don't have to cost a fortune. Indeed, the city offers a plethora of options for affordable and delectable dining. Let's start with food markets. These bustling hubs of gastronomic delights are an absolute must-visit. From Bar Market to Camden Market, the array of international cuisines on offer is astounding. You can find everything from freshly baked artisan breads to colorful pellars, all at wallet-friendly prices. Then we have local pubs. Now, we're not just talking about pints here, though those are certainly a staple. Many pubs serve up hearty traditional British fare like fish and chips or a classic Sunday roast. These establishments are often more affordable than restaurants, and they offer a cozy, authentic British atmosphere. And don't forget about picnics in the park. With London's many beautiful green spaces, why not grab some sandwiches, a packet of crisps and a bottle of something refreshing and have a leisurely lunch al fresco. Many supermarkets and delis offer pre-made sandwiches and salads that are both delicious and budget-friendly. As for dishes to try, look out for bangers and mash, a comforting dish of sausages and mashed potatoes, or a traditional Cornish pasty, a meat-filled pastry that's perfect for on the go. Eating well in London is possible even on a tight budget, so get out there and start exploring the city's rich and diverse culinary landscape. London's rich history and culture can be experienced without spending a lot. Now let's dive into the heart of the city. Sightseeing. London is teeming with free or low-cost attractions that are nothing short of awe-inspiring. The British Museum, for example, houses millennia of history under one roof and doesn't charge an entry fee. Similarly, the world-renowned Tate Modern and Natural History Museum also open their doors to the public free of charge. Walking tours are another great way to explore London without breaking the bank. Many companies offer pay-what-you-feel tours guiding you through the city's historical streets and squares. You'll soak up the ambience of the city while learning about its storied past. City passes like the London Pass can also help you save. These passes offer entry to a plethora of attractions for a single price, or if you're planning to visit multiple paid attractions, this can be a cost-effective choice. Now, a word of caution about tourist traps. Avoid the allure of pricey souvenirs from high-street tourist shops. Instead, opt for unique keepsakes from local markets or charity shops. And finally, remember that the best memories often come from simple experiences. Sitting by the Thames, watching the world go by, or exploring the city's diverse neighborhoods can be just as enriching as any paid attraction. With these tips, you can enjoy London's top attractions and save money. Planning a budget trip to London is easier than you think. We've walked through the process from start to finish, highlighting the importance of planning, considering budget-friendly accommodations, utilizing affordable transportation, dining on a budget, and sightseeing for less. Remember, it's all about being savvy and making smart choices. Opt for family-run bed and breakfasts over luxury hotels. Embrace the city's extensive public transportation network instead of expensive taxis. Discover the charm of hole-in-the-wall eateries and food markets rather than dining at high-end restaurants. And most importantly, don't overlook the wealth of free or budget-friendly attractions London has to offer. By following these guidelines, you can experience the magic and vibrancy of London without breaking the bank. It's time to pack your bags, grab your passport, and start your London adventure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travels.